Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English.
Hi friends, I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. We're really happy you're here with us today.
This show is all about real English, everyday English, the kind you hear outside, not in textbooks.
Exactly. Simple English, clear English, English you can really use.
Today's topic is very small, but very important in daily life.
Yep, we're talking about the corner store.
You might also hear people say convenience store.
In North America, corner stores are everywhere.
You see them on small streets, near apartments, near bus stops.
Some common names are 7-Eleven, Circle K, and local family stores.
Even if the store is small, it's a big part of daily life.
Especially when you are new here.
I remember my first week in Canada.
Oh yeah, me too.
I didn't know where to shop yet. I was tired, it was late,
Same. I just wanted water and something small to eat.
and there it was, a corner store with bright lights.
I walked in and thought, okay, I can do this.
But then my mind went blank.
Classic.
I knew the words, but my mouth didn't move.
That's very normal.
So today, we're going to help you feel comfortable in a corner store.
We'll go step by step,
We'll use short sentences.
and we'll talk like real people.
No big grammar, no hard words.
Just useful English.
And remember, it's okay to feel nervous.
We've both been there.
So take a breath.
You're doing great already.
Let's start with the first moment.
Walking into the store for the first time.
Okay, imagine this.
You are new in North America.
It's evening, maybe a little cold.
You're walking on the street.
You see a small store with lights on.
You push the door and walk in.
Ding! The bell makes a sound.
And someone behind the counter looks up,
They usually say something simple.
like hi,
Or hello.
or how are you?
You don't need to panic.
You can answer very simply,
You can say hi.
or hello.
Or even just nod and smile.
That's okay too.
In many corner stores, the cashier talks casually.
They don't expect perfect English.
They see people from everywhere.
Students, workers, newcomers.
Let's try a short example.
I'll be the cashier.
I'm the customer.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good. Thanks. And that's it.
Simple.
You don't need a long answer.
You don't need to explain your life.
Just keep it short.
After that, you walk around the store.
You look at the shelves.
Snacks, drinks, chips, candy.
Maybe milk, bread, eggs.
Some stores also sell hot food.
Hot dogs, coffee, instant noodles.
Take your time.
No one is rushing you.
If you feel lost, it's okay.
You can just browse.
And when you are ready, you go to the counter.
That's the next step.
Now let's talk about buying things.
This is the most common reason people go to a corner store.
Snacks and drinks.
Maybe you want a bottle of water,
Or a soda.
or some chips.
Or a chocolate bar.
You pick up your items.
You walk to the counter.
You put them down.
The cashier looks at them. Peep, peep.
Then they usually say the price.
Before that, they might say something small.
Like, is that all?
That means, are you finished shopping?
You can answer yes.
Or, yes, that's all.
Let's try it.
Is that all?
Yes. Very easy.
Then comes the price.
They might say $5.50.
Or $6.10.
Sometimes they say it fast.
That can be scary at first.
But don't worry.
You can always ask again.
You can say, sorry?
Or, sorry, can you say that again?
That's a great sentence.
Let's practice it.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about paying.
In a corner store, you usually pay right away.
There are a few common ways to pay.
Cash,
Debit card.
credit card,
The cashier may ask a simple question.
like cash or card.
That's very common.
You just answer with one word,
Cash.
or card.
Let's try.
Cash or card,
Card. Then you tap your card.
or insert your card.
Or give cash.
If you pay cash, they give you change.
They might say, here you go.
Or, here's your change.
You can say, thank you.
Always good to say thank you.
If you want a receipt, you can ask.
You can say, can I get a receipt?
That's useful sometimes.
Especially if you need proof.
Let's practice that sentence. Can I get a receipt?
Nice and clear.
Sometimes the cashier asks first.
They say, do you need a receipt?
You can say, yes, please.
or no thanks.
Both are fine.
The whole payment part is usually very fast.
Don't stress.
You're doing great.
Now let's talk about something special.
Some corner stores sell tobacco and lottery tickets.
Cigarettes, lottery, scratch cards.
If you want these, the conversation is a little different.
First, age is important.
In North America, you must be a certain age.
The cashier may ask for ID.
They might say, "Can I see your ID?"
That's normal.
Even for adults.
Let's try an example.
"Can I see your ID?"
Sure, here you go. Very simple.
If you don't have ID, they may say sorry.
That means they can't sell it to you.
Don't argue.
Just say, okay,
For lottery, you might hear different words.
like lotto or scratch ticket.
You can point if you're not sure.
Pointing is okay.
You can say, "This one, please."
Short and clear.
The cashier will guide you.
They do this all day.
You're not bothering them. Let's talk about small talk.
Some cashiers like to chat.
Some don't.
Both are normal.
You might hear something like, "Busy day."
Or cold today.
You don't need a big answer.
You can say, yeah.
Or, "Yes, very cold."
Simple is perfect.
And mistakes will happen.
I made so many mistakes.
Me too.
I once said, I want this food hot now yesterday. The cashier smiled and still understood me.
That's the key.
Communication, not perfection.
If you forget a word, pause.
Use your hands.
Use simple words,
People are patient.
especially in corner stores.
They see many newcomers every day.
You belong there too.
Corner stores are often open late.
Some are open 24 hours.
That's very helpful.
But also be aware.
Late at night, be careful.
Go in, buy your items, leave.
No long chatting.
Trust your feeling.
If something feels wrong, leave.
English-wise, keep it simple.
Hi.
Card.
Thank you.
That's enough.
You don't need extra words.
Safety first.
Always.
Let's review what we learned today.
Walking in,
Saying hi.
buying snacks and drinks,
Paying with cash or card.
Asking for a receipt.
Showing ID if needed,
Making small talk.
and staying safe,
All with simple English.
all with short sentences.
If this feels easy now, that's great.
If it still feels scary, that's okay.
Listen again.
Practice one sentence at a time.
Next time you walk into a corner store,
Try one new sentence.
even just hi.
That's progress.
We're proud of you.
Thanks for learning with us today.
This is Speak Easy English.
See you next time.